Very important formula to by heart in differentiation. D by dx of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. D by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x. D by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. D by dx of e raised to x is a into e raised to x. D by dx of ax plus b whole raised to n equal to n into ax plus b the whole raised to n minus 1 into a. D by dx of e raised to x is a e raised to a. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. D by dx of 1 by x is, that is, minus 1 by x square. That is, d by dx of 1 by x means x raised to minus 1. That is, d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. That is, d by dx of x raised to minus 1, derivative of x raised to minus 1 is minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1 is minus 1 into x raised to minus 2. X raised to minus 2 we can write as 1 by x square. That is minus 1 into 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square. D by dx of 1 by x raised to n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. Similarly, we can write d by dx of 1 by x raised to n. That is d by dx of derivative of x raised to minus n is minus n into x raised to minus n minus 1. It is minus n into x raised to minus of n plus 1. Yes, minus n into 1 by x raised to n plus 1. You have to write x raised to minus of n plus 1 as 1 by x raised to n plus 1. You have to by heart this important formulas in differentiation. X raised to n minus 1.